Where I live, summer is almost upon us. The trees are shedding their leaves and new blooms are arising. As I watched this transition, it inspired me to take out my watercolor paints and create something inspired by nature's magic. Today you will be watching me create a watercolor artwork inspired by this Indian almond tree you just saw. It's been a while since I picked up watercolors, so I'm excited to let the paints do their thing. My favorite thing about watercolors is how each pigment blends with the water and flows. You can see here how the leaves form in their own unique way. Just as each red leaf on the tree sheds itself without its control, the paint flows in water with its own mind. There is beauty in art and nature all together. So this is my nature-inspired painting, all complete. I'm so glad I could share this transition of life around me through this painting. I am in love with these bright colors and I hope you are too. I'll see you soon in another video.